Hi, in the last video I showed you how to create this form. I've also explained the settings, and as promised in this video we will go through the responses. So to see the responses you need to go to the responses section. As you see here we have only one response because I just did this form to show you how to create a form, and I've filled it once with my email, and these are my responses. Here we have three sections. We have the summary, the questions, and the individual. I like the summary a lot because it's actually a summary of the whole responses you get. You will have charts, so it's super important if you will do a report after gathering all your responses. So you just need actually to copy the chart and go to any Google Doc and paste it here. I will link it, so whenever there is a change it will change automatically, and you can add your analysis in your Google Doc. Same for all the other things. And secondly, we have the questions. So here you will have all your questions. If you have 100 responses, you will have all of them here, and you can check question by question. And this one is for the individual form, so you will have the forms that are filled by person, and you can go through all of them one by one. For example, if you have a lot of responses and you will have a better observation or a better preview of the responses, you need to go to this to have it on a sheet format. If it's a new one, go to create a new spreadsheet. If it's already existing, you need to select this, but in our case we'll create a new one, and this will be automatic. So whenever person will fill the form, you will have the response here, and you will have the time and everything. And yeah, like this you will have all your responses gathered in one Excel sheet. Voila! Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.